I'm just kidding. There's a few houses left. Kristin LaVamwa here with Thompson's Realty. And yeah, our inventory is really low. We've dropped below 2 months of inventory. When you take out the short sales, the AWC listings that are being negotiated with the lender, there's only 1.75 months of inventory left. There's only 14,000 homes that you could buy right now. 14,000, that's it. We've got almost 13,000 pending, so the homes are going out as fast as they're coming in. We managed to sell almost 7,300 homes last month. Believe it or not, only 6.5% of the listings right now are bank-owned properties. That's right, only 6.5% are foreclosures. Only 24% are short sales. So we are really looking at a strong equity presence in our market right now. Here's an interesting factoid. The average sale price for foreclosures last month was $74 a foot. The average listing price for foreclosures right now, $97 a foot. Prices are going up just a bit. Last year we had over 30,000 homes on the market. Active listings, so you could buy those homes. Less than half this year. It's crazy. You know what though? Everywhere I go, I keep hearing shadow inventory, shadow inventory. There's hundreds of thousands of homes that are gonna come on the market. Please, if that shadow inventory is really out there, I say, let's all go get our flashlights and go hunt those homes down and get them on the market. It's not gonna happen, and I'll tell you why. Right now there's only about 1,200 REO properties on the market in the Phoenix metro area. That's our glut, 1,200 houses. There's another 3,800 that haven't been listed yet. You know what's gonna happen when they get listed? They're gonna sell like that. They are. All right, so a little more ominous would be the pending foreclosures. These would be the houses that are sitting there with notices of trustee sale. Their trustee sale date's coming up within 90 days. There's 15,000, so there's 15,000 of those homes, which does sound like a lot. Last year, there were 35,000 of them. And look where it got us, half of the inventory of what we have. Maybe what you think of the shadow inventory is all those homes that are sitting out there with negative equity, you know, like little time bombs ticking away, and they could become foreclosures at any moment. Well, prices tanked in 2008. It's now 2012. So the idea that all of a sudden everyone's gonna throw their hands up and dump those houses in the market is crazy. The month supply, just like everything where you try and make this big blanket statement, you know, it's really scary. There's only 1.75 months of inventory. Well, that's not really the case if you break it down by price range. At the lower price ranges where most of the activity is happening, below say $250,000, yeah, the inventory has shrunk to crazy levels. But once you get above 300,000, it starts to look a little more normal. Remember, 5-6 months of inventory is a normal market. And at the $350,000 price range, we have almost 6 months of inventory. In the luxury market, there's lots of choices. As usual, it's just like shopping in the petite section. You know, the best deals are always where you cannot shop. I'm 5'9", so that's a little bit of a pet peeve for me. Buyers, come on, don't freak out, okay? I've talked to a couple buyers recently who are ready to throw in the towel. They just say, I can't afford it, it's gonna be a bidding war, prices are skyrocketing. Prices are not skyrocketing. Prices are adjusting to where they are supposed to be. They're coming up, it's true, but we're still looking at prices that we haven't seen in 10 years or more. Look at it this way, how much are you paying for rent versus how much can you buy a house for right now? You know, it was the flip side in 2008. If you bought a house and let it go, you could rent the house down the street and pay half. Well, now you can buy the house down the street and pay half of what you're renting it for. So there's still good value out there. You just need to have a lot of patience, that's all. And sellers, keep watching those prices coming up. Your time to sell may be coming, so don't be discouraged. You may not be stuck in your house very much longer. So that's all I got for this month. If you have any questions or comments, or if you want to get your flashlight and come with me and try and find this shadow inventory, just shoot me a message, send me a text, give me a call. I'd love to hear from you, and make it a great day.